In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make timer-based tests using Google Forms. Start by opening your Google form. If you are beginning from scratch, you may see a new form with a default title, but this process works the same way for an existing quiz or test. The main idea is that Google Forms does not include a built-in countdown timer for respondents, so you will add that feature using an add-on. Once your form is open, go to the top area of the Forms editor and click the Add-ons option. From the menu, choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for tools that connect directly to your form. In the search bar, type the word timer to narrow down the results. In the list, find Timer for Google Forms trademark and select it. Make sure you are choosing the correct add-on with that name. Then open it and click Install. Google will ask you to confirm the installation, and in some cases, it may ask you to choose a Google account and grant permissions, so the add-on can work with your form. Follow the prompts to continue, and once the install finishes, click Done to return to your form. Back in Google Forms, open the Add-ons area again, then choose Settings. In the Settings panel, look for Timer for Google Forms trademark and select it. This is where you configure the timer behavior for your test. If the add-on prompts you to sign in with Google, select the Sign In option and continue through the authorization screens. Read each permission screen carefully, then click Continue when prompted, so the timer tool can attach to your form. After you have completed the sign-in and permissions, return to the form editor and click the Questions tab so you are back to your test content. From here, you can proceed with your test setup, knowing the timer add-on is installed and connected. A practical tip is to complete the installation and permission steps using the same Google account that owns the form, since that helps avoid access problems later. Also, after any add-on install, give it a moment to appear in the menu before trying again. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.